Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become the young Queen of Hearts, Bridget in DTI. So in this tutorial, we are transforming into the young Queen of Hearts inspired by the fierce and fabulous Bridget from Descendants, The Rise of Red. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So first here for the hair, I'm going to combine two wavy hair. The first one in here, this one in here, and I'm going to change the color into this pink color. You can copy my hex code here and then this hair in here with the same color. And then once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So here I'm going to grab this top. And then here I'm going to use this soft pink color for the top. And the second preview, I'm going to make it red like this. And then I'm going to grab this puff in here and make it the same color, the same pink color. And for the shoe, I'm going to grab this shoe in here and toggle it into ankle length and change the color into red like this. And I'm going to also put on this top and change the toggle it into tight with the same pink color. And let me grab this stockings in here and change the color using these patterns, including the ruffles. And let's click on the shoe in here, click on the stockings and toggle it into, so turn off the feet so it will look like this. And now let's grab some accessory to complete the look. So here I'm going to grab a necklace and also earrings. So for the necklace in here, I'm going to put on this one and just leave the color as it is. And for the earrings, I'm going to put on this long earrings in here. Now let's finish the outfit. So here for the bottom part, I'm going to use a skirt from Currency Items. So let's use this skirt in here. So for the first preview, use these patterns, and the second one, use the same pink color like the top, just like this. And I'm going to also put on this strawberry dress to use only the sleeves. Use the same pink color and leave the ruffle white as it is. And that's it. This is the final look. Sorry, I forgot to use this one item, this top in here. So make the same pink color, and the second preview also pink. The third one, make it red. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.